Africa's development story is being written through projects that transform lives, projects that move us from aspiration to action. At the Development Bank of Southern Africa, we see every transaction not just as a deal, but as a bridge connecting people to opportunity, connecting innovation to inclusion, connecting capital to purpose. Through the Africa Investment Forum, we are accelerating this connection by bringing to market projects that demonstrate that real impact looks like when vision meets investment. This year, the DBSA is showcasing a portfolio of catalytic initiatives that reflect Africa's determination to grow on its own terms. Through the Africa Investment Forum, we are accelerating this connection by bringing to market projects that demonstrate what real impact looks like when vision meets investment. This year, the DBSA is showcasing a portfolio of catalytic initiatives that reflect Africa's determination to grow on its own terms. We are supporting the rollout of a new generation of clean mobility infrastructure, a network that will power the continent's transition to zero carbon transport, create thousands of jobs, and spark an entirely new green value chain for the energy economy. We are advancing investments in critical minerals and battery manufacturing, unlocking regional value chains that strengthen Africa's position in the global energy transition, ensuring that the resources beneath our soil translate into industrialization and local benefit above it. And we are enabling digital healthcare access for millions of Africans, expanding affordable care through technology, and building resilience in one of the most essential sectors for human development. Each of these initiatives tells a powerful story, a story of inclusion, innovation, and integration. Together, they reflect what's possible when development finance and private capital work in harmony to deliver measurable impact. The impact of these projects extend far beyond their balance sheets. They mean cleaner air and new skills for the next generations of technicians and engineers. They mean more accessible healthcare for rural families who once had to travel long distances for care. They mean economic participation, from small business owners supplying new value chains to young professionals entering industries that didn't exist a decade ago. This is how transformation looks when it's tangible, when every project delivers returns that are both financial and social, both commercial and human. For the DBSA, these milestones reaffirm our role as a catalyst for capital and confidence. We are not only funding infrastructure, we are building ecosystems of investment readiness, ensuring that each project paves the way for the next. Through coverage and origination, we are working closely with governments, sponsors, and investors to move projects from potential to bankability, from pipeline to progress. This is the heart of our mandate, to demonstrate that development finance can be catalytic, commercial, and inclusive. As we look ahead, our commitment remains clear: to scale what works, to replicate success across regions, and to ensure that every project we back strengthens Africa's collective resilience. Because at the DBSA, we believe that development is not just about building infrastructure, it's about building futures. Through the Africa Investment Forum, we are showing the world that Africa is ready to innovate, ready to integrate, and ready to grow. Thank you.